Linnworks Channel Integration by Rishvi Ltd. On Linnworks, go to Settings, then Channel Integration. Tap on Add New. Here search for ECWID channel. Tap Install Application. Here, provide a new name. Then press Next, accept the terms and condition. Here, provide store ID, authentication token, currency, and check his OAuth, and then press Next. Check Price Include Tax is Cancel Order. And finally tap on Finish. Here you can see, new channel integration has been added. Enable it from here. From here, you can edit your channel integration anytime. You can test the integration and edit other setup as per your requirements. From here, you can edit channel location settings. You can do channel mapping from here. You can see, the source is ECWID channel. You can edit channel payment from here. You can edit channel shipping a location from here. From here, you can delete the channel integration. In Open Order, you can view the orders from ECWID channel. And you are done.